game. Just try something.
Have fun, lab.
Just do whatever. I'll be a cameraman for the day.
It's gonna be like a whole minute of like me just eating like Parkour.
It's gonna be a whole thing.
Oh, dude, that's smooth as well. Holy shit.
Oh! I know. I just
Like, keep
how
winning.
did
Yeah. Oh, full and booty, that's actually dope. Yeah, I gotta get comfy with Cody. I got scared halfway through it and I was like, and now I'm just like trying to chill. Yo. Okay, back it bounce. Long time no see. Guess what I just saw the other day? Mad Max. It was actually. Yeah, let's go. Yeah, let's go. Oh, yo, that was actually really cool.
or like, you know, do something.
Making awesome content. Hey. We got Outback Adam here. Let's get it! Yo.
I feel like it's that little bit too low. Oh yeah.
Oh, what? That's mad, bro. Yeah, that's deep.
There you go. Yep. Not anymore from apes. My hands are already gonna go.
Got the grip pads.
No, they're gonna rip.
Okay, I'm at work today. It is raining outside and I haven't probably trained in a while, so I'm gonna try and train. Yeah. And I gotta warm up and hopefully it's good. Okay, so my main thing is I'm gonna step on the back. And I wanna try some convenience. I'm trying to pull back out. And I'm gonna work my doubles to get this. And then move on.
everyone says, it's important to understand and follow our 3 key safety rules. First, 1 at a time on all trampolines. Second, always jump within your skill level. Third, do not jump or land on the ground.
Yeah, one is just spin down, and the second one's the rotation before. I'm gonna go with the
Please quickly to safety, make